This is Ear One. It's a $99 earbud that strikes with its beauty. Ear One has noise cancellation, transparency modes, ear detection, find earbuds functions, 4-hour battery life while noise cancellation is turned on, IPX4 water resistance, and it is from a company called Nothing, which has pretty serious names behind it. So I guess the question is Ear One any good? And here it is. Ear One comes in this nicely designed box. Inside this box, we're greeted with another box that has, yep, you guessed it, nothing on it. Inside that box, we're greeted with Ear One sitting in its charging case. Underneath that, we get some papers, extra tips, and USB-A to USB-C cable. By the way, you can charge this case wirelessly or with USB-C connection. First, let's talk about the design because this thing is really beautiful and it is unmistakably Ear One. So when you see someone wearing these, you're gonna know, if you know what Ear One is, you're gonna know that person is wearing Ear One. And it is a very strong point when it comes to marketing. I really liked the design of this product, especially the transparent stem. It's so much fun to look at because you see a lot of things. Also, the case is the same way. It is very refreshing. I think this is one of the most exciting products I've seen in 2021 so far. When it comes to weight, Ear One is pretty light. Let's actually test it here. Let's put it on our scale with its case. It's 66 grams compared to AirPods Pro. AirPods Pro is 56 grams with the case. When it comes to the earbuds, this thing weighs 5 grams. And earbuds 5 grams. The case can charge Ear One 5 more times. So with active noise cancellation on, you get 4-hour battery life, and with the help of the case, in total you get 24-hour of battery life, and you get 5.7 hours battery life without the active noise cancellation. Also, 10-minute charge in this case can give these earbuds 50-minute battery life with active noise cancellation, which is pretty good. The sound quality of Ear One is very impressive. I listened to John Mayer's latest album on Apple Music and it was a delight. Everything was clean, powerful, and spacious. These earbuds have strong bass and treble, but it is not as saturated as old Beats headphones. And without any EQ, it actually sounds fuller than AirPods Pro. According to my tests, the audio quality between standard, active noise cancellation and transparency mode is very little, which is very impressive. Also, in my bass test, Ear One shook my brain with its performance around 20 Hz. When it comes to microphone quality, let's test that out and see what it sounds like. Test 1 2 3 4 5. Test 1 2 3 4 5. Now, this sounds okay, but here's the problem. Now I'm just gonna move my jaw and follow this. So there's that. Let's compare that to AirPods. Nothing. Controlling Ear One is very simple. Double tap to play or pause, triple tap to go to next or previous song, tap and hold to switch between noise cancellation, transparency, and standard modes. And if you swipe on the stem, you can turn the volume up and down, which is fantastic. When you take one Ear One out of your ear, just like AirPod Pro, it stops the music and sets the earbud that is in your ear to transparency mode. The noise cancellation is not bad, but it is not good enough to compete with the usual suspects. Sadly though, the transparency mode is not good. It feels artificial. It is nothing like what we experience on the AirPods. This thing has Bluetooth 5.2 and it supports Android and iOS. Now let's take a look at the app. The app is very simple and easy to understand. You go to here to change your modes if you want noise cancellation, transparency, or off. We have settings for the equalizer, and then here we have touch, and in this menu we can customize the triple tap or tap and hold. Also in other settings we have the in-ear detection, and then find my earbud, which is pretty loud, but let me show you. I'm sure you'll hear this and find these earbuds easily. So now, as I'm talking out actually in the transparency mode, I'm hearing my beard rubbing against the microphone, and then now the transparency mode has gone away. When it comes to Bluetooth latency, Ear 1 averaged around 450 milliseconds and AirPods Pro around 208 milliseconds. Now this will not be an issue while watching a movie, but it may feel a little delayed during gaming, phone calls, and other real-time things. Oh, and also on the app, the battery level of Ear 1 and its case is shown in 10% increments. So it looks like your battery went from 100% to 90 in 1 second, but that's only because it shows only 10% increments. I don't know why. In the end, considering its price, I think Ear 1 is a very good product. It's a solid alternative to the others. It may not be the best at some features, but the sound quality and the way it looks is very impressive for a brand new company's brand new product. And I think that's going to be good enough to help people hear about nothing. Well, thank you very much for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, what I think doesn't matter. What matters is what you think. So let me know what you think about Ear 1 and the company name in the comment section below. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves. And hoşça kalın.